Welcome to this tutorial on how to send messages to tech suppliers on technologycatalog.com. To begin, go to the Tech Suppliers page and log into your account. On the Tech Suppliers page, you'll see a message box. By clicking on the drop-down menu, you can select the type of message you want to send to the tech supplier. You can choose to request additional information about the technology, schedule a meeting to discuss the technology, request a quote for a project, or send a personalized message to the tech supplier if you have specific questions for them. In this tutorial, we will choose to send a message to the supplier requesting additional information. After you have sent the message, a pop-up will appear to confirm that your message has been sent to the supplier. You will be notified by email when the supplier responds to your message. In the email you will find a list of all your new notifications, including messages from suppliers. You can either log into your toolbox or click on the bell notification icon in the top right corner to view the message. To view all messages, go to the toolbox and then click on Message on the left-hand side of the page. Here you will see the messages that were sent and the responses that you received from the tech supplier. If you have any questions that were not answered in this tutorial, please contact us at support@technologycatalog.com and we would be happy to answer them for you.